Hi, in this video we are going to see the 200 content ideas for your YouTube channel. These are things I have searched and I feel this is not going to be end ever, and definitely you have to watch this video till end and get to know what is best for you. You have to select based on what pro things you know already. Might be that is you are already aware but you are little bit confused to select, but I hope so at the end of this video you are going to decide, yes, this is I can do it. And let's start. much ideas, right? So I hope you are overloaded with your thoughts. I'll clear something. Select your favorite niche, at least one, and start your channel. Let's see how you grow. And to create such a bulk video about bulk things, refer this video where I have created the current video within a 10 seconds. And how? See you there. Thanks.